In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on your iPhone Air. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, obviously make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. And from here, go ahead and open up the App Store by selecting the App Store icon from your home screen. From here, tap on your profile up in the top right. If you aren't signed in yet, go to make sure you are signed in. You can either sign in with your current Apple ID or you can create a new one for free, just because you do need an Apple ID to download apps. If you don't worry. I do have a full guide on how you can download apps without an Apple ID, so make sure to check that out. But essentially, go ahead and search for an app down in the very bottom. For example, you could do something like YouTube, right? Open that up. Scroll down, find YouTube on here, select it, and then you'll have an install button where mine currently says open. Go ahead and select that, and depending on your device, confirm using something like Face ID, Touch ID, and Apple ID password. And then that download's going to start right away, and once it does finish, you can either find it on your home screen, or you can open it directly from the App Store right here. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.